If you see the mutual fund industry growth rate in India, it is growing at 15-20% every year, and even at that rate, we are actually underpenetrated in mutual funds. If we see the AUM to GDP ratio of India, it is around 11%, versus the same AUM to GDP in US is around 100%, and in some Western countries it's actually more than 100%. So that shows that from this 10-11% of mutual fund penetration, we have a long way to go. Hence, industry is going to keep growing for several years and maybe even a few decades to even just catch up with some of the developed nations. And what is happening in India is that the interest rates have been going down. So people are also trying to explore other options, not just keep their money in the bank and then not make much from these interest rates. So people will try to explore other options, and one of the best alternatives would be mutual funds, where they can try to have debt funds or also equity funds. So some of the challenges for digital companies comes from the fact that it's a complicated industry with different set of entities providing certain services, and many of these services are still not digital. So for example, if I have to change my bank account or change my nomination or update certain things in my KYC, there is still some paperwork. Now we have to make it truly digital so that end to end all the processes are digitally possible. However, we have to ensure that the customer's safety, security is also maintained. So if we can strike the right balance and make the processes digital, the cost of servicing would go down, there will be less manual errors, and overall the investor service and investor experience would improve. So in mutual funds, it's quite secure, because primarily your bank account and your mutual fund account, which are the folios that we create with mutual funds, are linked 1:1. So what that means is, unlike payments where if I transfer money from my account, I can actually transfer it to anyone, and that's where the chance of fraud is much more. But in mutual funds, when I invest, my money can only go into my investment account, which is my folio with a fund house, and when I withdraw money, it can only come back to my bank account. So it's a 1:1 linkage, which kind of makes the system secure to a large extent. However, there can be further security measures that we can take on an ongoing basis. But overall, the system is designed quite robustly by the mutual fund industry. So we are actually providing all these services using some of our in-house technology. Plus, we have partnered with Bombay Stock Exchange. They have a platform called BSE Star MF, and that's also a very good secure system through which all the transactions are routed. So the other options are there is something called MF Utility, which is an organization which provides a similar platform, and there is NSC also, which has a similar platform. But we have been partnering with BSE only. So what happens is, if you see the market trend now, market has been going up, and there will be some time in the near future when markets may probably go down. And in equity markets, what people need to understand is that you don't make money when markets are continuously going up. You actually make more money when markets go down, and that is the time to invest. And then when the markets go up again, then you kind of either hold on to your investments or make relatively less investments. So what I try to mean is that market will be going in a sine wave. It will go up and down. When the market valuations are relatively higher, then less investment should go into equity, and vice versa. But it is difficult to do that. So what we have done is, we have started a unique algorithm which is called dynamic SIP, and CashRich is the only app which has this dynamic SIP feature. What it does is, every month, based on the relative market valuation level, we split the investment into fixed and equity, which is share market linked. So if the market is very high, the proportion in share market will be lower, and when the market has gone down, then the investment in share market will automatically go up. So that actually takes care of two issues. One is, it's difficult for busy people to do it manually, and second, what we all understand is that we should be greedy when others are fearful, and vice versa, which is difficult to do. But here the automated system takes care of it, and when market goes down, automatically more investment gets done. Sure. So right now we are seeing that eKYC with Aadhaar is coming back, which will help us in onboarding clients faster. And if the eKYC limits etc. are relaxed and people can invest more, then that will be even better.